How to remove user password in Windows 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you on how can you remove password or user account password in Windows 11. So in order to remove the user account password in Windows 11, start by clicking on the Start menu over here, right-click on the Windows icon and go to Settings. Now you have to click on the Account option over here. Next, click on Sign In Options. Then simply select the Password option. Click on Add, and here in the option where you have to provide the current password, in the first two fields, simply leave them empty, and in the third field, type something as a placeholder. By leaving the first two fields empty, you will effectively remove the password. Now you can just simply click on Next and then Finish. You can witness this action in effect. Close this window and sign out of the computer or simply restart your device. You should notice that it no longer asks for you to enter a password. This is basically on how can you remove your user password on Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.